if a little bit of rain or a little bit of snow is going to stop you from building your own business, then maybe this business isn't for you. Maybe business in general isn't for you. So the next time you think about one of those excuses, this is why I can't start a windshield repair business, or this is why I can't start a business in general, really think about it and think of different ways to kind of work around those little issues, because that's what's going to help you in business. You are going to run into these problems and you're going to have to work yourself around these little tiny issues to make sure that you are successful. So when you are thinking about starting a business, think about those little tiny issues, but think of a way that you can get around them.